parents, and welcome to Insights with me, Shirish. Today, I have come with the topic of effective praising of children. What is praising, how children should be praised, and why it is important. To understand praising, make it simpler, I would say when you appreciate a child for his good work is called as praising, is called as appreciating him for his good work. Now, why it is important? Because when you appreciate a child, he feels motivated, he feels good about it, and to get the praise, the child will again and again do good and better acts so that he gets those good wishes, those praise from anyone around, like maybe his teacher, maybe his parents. Now, how to give the child effective praising? What is effective praising? To understand this, I have an example. Sometimes it happens that our children who obviously are naughty or mischievous, sometimes they turn out to be a good child and they do some act like they keep their study books in place, or when they come home they remove their uniform properly and keep it in place, or sometimes even they wish you saying good morning mom, good morning dad, and then you have a big question mark in your mind thinking why this fellow is behaving in such a good way. So you ask him that what is it, so what do you want? Does this happen with you? If yes, then parents, we need to give it a thought again, because when you actually say this, you are discouraging the child. You are discouraging the child to behave in a good way. You should appreciate the child wherever it is possible. See, some parents may come up saying the child is really very naughty, or teachers may complain that the child is really very naughty and it is impossible to appreciate him, and many other things. But as a teacher, as a parent, if the child is appreciated, then the child feels motivated. It boosts and encourages him to behave positively and behave in a good way. Now, the example that I gave, if the child has wished you good morning, instead of thinking on it that the why the child is wishing, if you say, wow, very good morning baby, so wouldn't that be a positive thing that is happening in the beginning of the day? It will motivate you as well as your child to spend the day in a good way. The child will feel that his saying good morning has made you positive and given a positive, and he has received a positive reaction from your side. So to receive that positive reaction, to receive that encouragement, he will again try his level best. Probably in the course, he may start greeting his friends, family or teachers. Isn't that a good habit? So, being a parent, being an elderly person or being a teacher, it is very essential to appreciate the child. Now, what is effective appreciation? Effective appreciation is, irrespective of the child's naughty things that any child does, there are always some things which are positive in the child. As a mother, you always know what are the positive traits of your child. Start encouraging your child. I have been dealing with child personality development programs, and some parents have really with a very good experiences during this program. I remember one child was very naughty and mischievous, and it happened that his school, that his parents always got a call from the school complaining about him, about his mischiefs in the school, from the neighborhood, in the society. They always received complaints from about him, and at this moment the parents really feel very frustrated and irritated with the child, and they start scolding the child. In the due course, the child becomes more adamant. But when this parent approached me and we tried to experiment on the child, we thought that we would appreciate him for next 1 month so that he feels positive about it, no matter how naughty he behaves. So, keeping aside all his naughtiness, we started appreciating the child. Like probably he did not do well in the class. Still, sometimes I appreciated him for his good behavior, like for greeting me or for just writing a good handwriting or something in due course. Similarly, I also informed his parents and the family to appreciate him for all small things that he did on his own, all possible things. In due course, it happened that the child actually started behaving in the right way. He behaved in such a way that everybody in the family and surroundings started observing some changes in his behavior, that they started appreciating him automatically. It happened that after 20 days of this thing that we were doing, his mother received a call from the school saying that there is a drastic change in the child's behavior. The child has literally been one of the brightest students in those 10 to 15 days. He was doing his homework. He had no mischiefs done during the class. He did all his homework. He was good with all his classmates. He was talking very respectfully with the teachers and greeting them. And overall, his behavior was very appreciating in the due course of 15 days. His mother very happily approached me, shared this experience. The happiness that I saw on her face in that during that time was really worth that. If at all any parent is feeling say demotivated or feeling frustrated with the child's behavior, this is definitely a trick that you can use to appreciate the child so that the child actually behaves in a good way. So how do you appreciate him? As a parent, you need to understand what are the positive traits of your child. Appreciate your child wherever possible. Appreciate your child, especially in public and in front of children or other people. Appreciate your child in due course wherever you want him to improve his behavior. Though he has done something wrong, you can appreciate him for something good that he has done during the same time. When we acknowledge the child's bad behavior, we also need to acknowledge his good behavior more prominently. So, parents, I guess, if at all you are having this issue of your child's behavior, you can use this trick of effective praising in the child, and definitely you will see the changes over a period of 15-20 days. So all the best, and try this effective praising in case of your child.